You won't get loaded on motivation, but you will get rewired. Stick around for the 3-second trick that could rewrite how your brain craves good habits forever. Here's the hard truth. Traditional habits fail. Most New Year goals die by February. Why? Because our brains crave instant payoff, not slow progress. Your dopamine system is hijacked by likes, pings, junk food. Easy, but good habits feel slow, boring, low rent, so your brain rejects them. Navy SEALs operate under extreme stress. They don't wait for motivation. They hack their brains to perform under pressure. Their system isn't push harder. It's recalibrate your mind wiring. This isn't legend. It's science. It's not just mental toughness. It's dopamine level conditioning. Here's how it works. Do something exactly when your brain triggers a negative loop, a craving, fatigue, panic. In the next 3 seconds, hit your reset. No, it's not random. This push-pause trick creates a neural reboot that highlights reward in discipline. How to use it. Example 1. When you think maybe one more scroll, snap your fingers within 3 seconds. Then take a sip of water. That triggers dopamine plus clarity plus interception. In workout, when your brain shouts stop, you point your thumbs down and say, not today, then continue. It becomes symbolic. Pain plus choice. Example 3. At night, when your brain begs Netflix, snap, breathe, walk to bed. Your brain associates pause, calm. Every time you use the 3-second trick, your brain senses control. That means it craves clarity, not chaos. Studies show that people who disrupt loops with micro-actions increase dopamine receptor sensitivity over time. Instead of giving in to junk reward, your brain starts valuing tiny wins, hydration, work breathers, discipline moments. Use it 3 times a day for 2 weeks. Track, snap, pause, action. Write it down. What broke, what fixed. Watch your brain crave better. After 7 days, you'll catch yourself snapping before the urge. By week 2, you'll need it because your brain prefers it. Like Sarah, a teacher in Toronto. At day 3, she got energized in class instead of scrolling. Or Mike in Manchester. He used Snap Trick to get off cigarettes. His brain now craves deep breaths instead of addiction. These aren't baseball stats. They're people reclaiming mental freedom. But there's a catch. This trick only works with one more secret. A nightly dopamine reset protocol that Navy SEALs use called the dark room discipline. It's simple, it's powerful, and it preps your brain before sleep. Want that? Then hit subscribe and we'll explore it next.